Hey guys, it's been a while. Fuck, we were just laughing and joking about that. But welcome to JDM House. And yeah, sorry about not uploading, but now we're here, so.
So yeah, today, the daily is getting a brake upgrade. We got ourselves some shiny, drilled, and slotted.
Things look good. Well,
They gonna look even better through these dirty ass rims. She needs a wash. She's been neglected. She's been in my driveway while we're at the track. So,
yeah, this thing, horrible.
terrible.
Fuck the track, fuck the skyline at the track, not worth it. We'll get into that too later, but let's get into this. This man.
It's the one with no lock on it. It's the last one.
I started filming at the right time. Boys and girls, it's not this difficult at home. Changing a tire 101. Guys, new member of the crew too.
What's good?
It's Brandon. He's gonna be the cameraman and filmer because I need help. It's a lot of work.
Sometimes, you know, when that's a lot of shit we don't film because we need two of us to do it. So that's where he comes into it.
Yeah, honestly. So
Because, I mean, we brought him to the track. He helped us out, like, phenomenally. So, yeah, warm welcomes to the new member
the
of
man's
House.
Gonna be working.
yeah, for real.
So, yeah, let's jack her up, get the wheels off, and make her look pretty.
I
Alright.
done.
Yeah, wheels are off.
I wish it was that easy, eh?
Yeah, right.
Fuck.
So, yeah, next up, take these calipers off.
Ooh, she's pretty crusty in here.
Yeah, down. Oh, you can just see how warped it is.
Yeah. So yeah, the car is wobbling really bad when you brake, and there's that grinding sound. But while we're in here, tie rods are still stiffer than normal, but those are on their way out, so those will need to be changed. Down in here, it's looking like sway bars will probably need to be replaced. We definitely need to replace the struts.
Yeah, they're getting worse and worse every day.
The only thing with these chassis is to watch the bottom ball joints. They're really bad.
Like going any GS screw, any Aristo screw,
Yeah,
it's like every day it's like public service announcement, do your little ball jump.
yeah, everybody's just child
So,
wheel.
that's gonna be next on the list as well.
Yeah, like sooner than later.
Yeah.
'Cause,
So yeah, we'll have a video on that as well. We'll have a video for everything. I got another knuckle for this as well. We'll get new struts. Actually, no, we have lowering springs. We're gonna install those right away. And then yeah, you know, we'll have like a series. It'll just be like the GS430 maintenance series. JDM House. Come check it
Maintenance
out.
series. Fuck. Dude, it's not a BMW, it's a fucking Toyota, bro. Lexus,
Wow.
come on.
I know it'll be the first one of its kind.
Alright, well, fuck, let's get into this, I guess.
Probably loose a little bit.
Oh, you fucking put the muscle into it, eh?
Oh fuck yeah, like
What size is it?
14.
14? Okay. I'll go straight this over here. Literally took all the force in the
She's a
world.
little warm. She's a little warm.
Dude, I bet. Fuck, man. That thing just got like ripped off.
Oh, look
man.
how rusty crusty that is.
Ooh. Ooh. Look at that yumminess.
It's right. It's got a good patina on it. That's for sure.
Yo, what the fuck is with this weather today, too?
Oh, it's on and off and off and on. You know what I mean?
Yeah, guys, sorry about the Z content, too. I don't even know. what
It'll
the fuck-
come when it comes.
It's there. It's in the picture, so shit will happen, but
I mean, it's in the garage, so I mean, like, we ought to do something with it.
it's only a matter of time before it goes out there.
Tomorrow.
Alright, so we learned a valuable lesson. Don't let me just blindly order shit off Amazon or off the internet. 'Cause,
Fucking
yeah,
dumbass.
as you can tell, these are the rears. So I have fronts, they're ordered, they come next Monday. So
there'll
we'll
be
have
a part two. Yeah.
Part two. So yeah, let's do the rears.
It sucks because like we legit had the whole like
We had the
front
bonus
end-
off. We're like putting them on. This guy's like, Hunter, I think we have a problem. I was like, what do you mean we have a problem? We have a problem. They're fucking rears.
And then man's ordered fucking frets for it too, and then they guess
No pads.
So
like
when they show up, we
I
gotta
can't
go buy
be
pads.
trusted to order car parts online. Cause I'm just like, oh yeah, that's it. Click, 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 order. And then I'm like, confirmation. I was like, it's already shipped.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna get pads locally when they show up.
Yeah, I don't. Fuck's sakes. All right, let's get into this now.
Few inches later.
She's toy.
Pretty good form there.
Row. All
right, you see what that means? Sledgehammer, torch, everything.
She sees that.
We've been like banging on this thing for like 10 fucking minutes now. She ain't coming off. She's like fucking seized the fuck on there. So now we're just literally last resort trying fucking everything.
Alright, so we got to see some bitch off with a little bit of persuasion from my friend. So time to put the pretty new one on.
I'm excited. Man, should ever fucking find the hole.
Oh, wrong holes.
Wrong hole.
Oh, doesn't that look?
That looks so much better compared to like show this piece of shit right here. Oh, compared to that, way better.
No, it's
Way better.
but ooh, that's party.
Yeah, it's nice.
Meanwhile.
Hey. Fuck yeah. Way faster than the other time. It's like 20 minutes of hammering last time. Fuck you. It's time for the new ones.
So fresh and so clean.
It looks so much nicer. Can't wait to get the fronts done too.
Yeah,
The whole
right.
car setup.
Unpaint the calipers. Wrong hole again.
Fuck man.
Again.
These mans can't find holes for the life of them.
Hey man, I find the holes. It's not the right ones, I guess.
Bro, I'd hate to see you in the
I mean, I
dark.
guess it depends on who you're asking. Right? Could be the right hole, depending on the chick. I mean, so what I'll just do on there, since we don't have the special tool, good thing to do, just grab a screwdriver with the old pads and on there, just in between the rotor and the pad with a screwdriver, decompress that. So I'm gonna just do that to this other side, so the new pads will fit over the new rotor. Alright, got the pin out. Old pads. They weren't horrible, but they weren't great.
Oh, we're supposed to do the fucking fronts, Hunter.
Hey! The car gets all around, I guess.
It's better than none. New ones are over here. So.
Right here.
I really like the style pads too, because it's easy to change.
Auto Shack, an unofficial, not a sponsor. Maybe one day. Auto Shack, you want to sponsor?
We'll see how they are. We'll see. They were cheap.
Alright. So yeah, we got the rears done. She brakes good now. But she gonna be brake better once we get the front brakes.
Oh, you can't see them. Can't see them. They're good in there though.
Excuse the dirty ass friggin' rims.
The whole car's dirty. Fuck. What
She
you
needs
mean?
a wash, okay? But yeah, so part 2 will be coming soon. Get the fronts done. And maybe we'll show you some braking power on the Hodge. You know what I mean? Do some warm-ups.
Yeah, we gotta
Break
them
the
up.
brakes in, you know?
Break the brakes.
Break the brakes, break the brakes, you know. Break the brakes, you know. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more cool car content.